car insurance codes. In this video we discuss fourth and fifth step. So start our video. Once you have found the cheapest quote, try to haggle a bigger discount with your existing insurer. Haggling is not a must, especially if you want. चेक कर गए आई थिंक पैसिफिक है मजीद चेक कर गए सारा अल्बामा ना ला बिल्कुल अल्बामा लोकल है especially if you want to try a new provider, but if you looking to renew the current insurer, it's well worth contacting. It is negotiate it to negotiate. Once you follow these steps above and got the overall cheapest price, give you insurer a call or use its online chat to see beat or match. Unusually it is simple as asking, but if you are not getting any luck, see our car and home insurance tagging guide for top tips. Step 5. Finally, check the policy carefully before buying. Once you have found the cheapest cost, there are few things to check. Double check the codes. Click through to the insurance provider on websites to read their code carefully, as some comparison sites make a few two-speed searches. Check the insurance company is registered with Financial Conduct Authority FCA. The insurer will usually say it is, but always check on the FCA register.